Hi everyone, I'm gonna discuss about the EDA I have done on the IPL data. So we have been given two data sets, matches and deliveries. Their summaries are here. So there are 1,64,750 overall deliveries across 696 matches. 13 unique teams have been participated so far in the IPL and there are 11 seasons given in the data set. Coming to the number of matches, we have 2013 being the busy season with more than 75 matches, followed by 2012 and 2011. And coming to the overall matches played by each team, Mumbai Indians top the chart with almost 170 matches, followed by RCB and KKR. From this graph, we can understand that most of the matches Mumbai Indians have gone to the qualifiers and the finals compared to the other team. The win-loss count for each team, again Mumbai Indians top the start with almost 100 win count and 70 plus loss count. The second highest team to have number of win count will be Chennai Super Kings with almost 90 matches, but the loss count is a little bit less than 60. So we can understand that the win-loss ratio of Mumbai Indians is less compared to that of CSK. And coming to the team with the highest loss will be Delhi Daredevils, and their win-loss ratio is pretty bad compared to the rest of the team, which has high loss count. Coming to the winning trend by each team across season, so this graph displays number of matches won by the particular team in each season. Again, Mumbai Indians and Rajasthan Royals have won almost 13 matches in some seasons. The most successful IPL team, Mumbai Indians tops again with almost 100 matches. Again, the same data which has been given in the couple of slides before, and followed by CSK and KKR. As winning the toss helped their team to win the match, well, winning the toss doesn't help them much. As you can see, there is only 51.49% of win-loss ratio here. But when it comes to team-wise ratio, we can see that winning the toss has given Gujarat Lions a heads-on or a head start compared to other teams with 83% of win and 60% of loss. And the team which has the minimum percentage will be Royal Challengers Bangalore, where they have a 50-50 percentage of winning the match, whether they have win the toss or not. Coming to the highest run scoring team, RCB tops the chart with 263 runs, followed by KKR, and RCB holds three positions on the top 10 with the respective scores as 263, 248, and 235. The win by maximum and minimum runs, this chart displays the win by runs, so the margin of their win. And this chart is again being topped by Mumbai Indians with almost 145 plus runs in a particular match, and they have won with the biggest margin. And a couple of teams have won with least margin of 1 runs. We can see here Royal Challengers Bangalore, Delhi Daredevils, Mumbai Indians, Kings 11 Punjab, Chennai Super Kings, and Gujarat Lions. So the dots that have touched the line zero have the win margin of 1 runs. Coming to win by maximum and minimum wickets, so most of the teams have won without no loss. I mean with no loss. For example, KKR, Kings 11 Punjab, Sunrisers Hyderabad, Mumbai Indians, Delhi Daredevils, Royal Challengers Bangalore, Rajasthan Royals, Deccan Chargers, and Chennai Super Kings. And three teams have won with uh, only one wicket remaining. For example, Kolkata Knight Riders and Chennai Super Kings. Overwise average runs, excluding extra. So this chart displays the average runs scored by the batsman apart from the extras. So we can see that for the first 6 overs, the batsmen have some grip on the ball. Then they started playing defensive for almost 13 till 13 over to reach the same state that they have in the first 6 overs. Then they have the increase gradually in their run rate, and by the over 20 they have reached 9.5 run rate. So far we have seen the graph for team wise. Now comes to individual player wise. So this chart displays the top 10 players with the most man of the match title, and Chris Gayle tops the chart with the 20 titles, followed by ABD Villas. Coming to most valuable player, this three charts displays the batsman with the highest score, topped by Raina, and the bowler with the highest wickets, topped by Malinga, and the most valuable wicketkeeper. The count is based on the number of dismissal by them. So this chart is topped by Karthik. The distribution ratio of runs against each matches. So this graph we can see that is a standard distribution, a normal distribution to be precise, with most of the matches lies between 120 runs to 180 runs. So most of the matches have the total run score of between 120 and 180. So that's it for the analysis. Thank you.